Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're testing one of the most popular wireless CarPlay adapters on Amazon. I'll show you what's inside the box, how to install it, a real-time connection test, and whether it's worth buying in 2025. If your car is older and still doesn't have CarPlay, stop. You don't need a new car. This little $50 wireless adapter can upgrade your entire driving experience in under 2 minutes. Let me show you how, and how well it works in US cars. Step 1. Plug the adapter into your car's USB port. Step 2. Turn on your ignition and wait for the blinking blue light. Step 3. Go to your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. Step 4. Connect to the device name. Step 5. CarPlay appears instantly. No wires, no apps, nothing extra. Yes, it's really that simple. Now let's see how fast it connects. I just got into the car. Boom! CarPlay loads in 3 seconds. Map works, music works, calls work, all wireless. There is almost no lag on Maps or Spotify. Siri also responds quickly, which is a big plus for hands-free driving.
Hey Siri, navigate to the nearest coffee shop.
Heavy checkmark super fast connection. Heavy checkmark works with most US cars, even 2010 plus models. Heavy checkmark clean, wire-free dashboard. Heavy checkmark cheap compared to buying a new head unit. Advantages: 1. Super fast connection. 2. Works with most US cars, even 2010 plus models. 3. Clean, wire-free dashboard. 4. Cheap compared to buying a new head unit. If you want modern tech in an older car, this is the easiest and cheapest upgrade you can get. No tools, no installation fees, no mechanic required. Definitely worth it. Comment your car model plus year below. I'll make a custom setup video for your exact car. Make sure to like and subscribe. More car tech reviews coming up.